Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm also fine. Are you ready today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, carry on. You have to make sentence with given words. Okay. Last line.
Beautiful means Sundar. My elder sister is very beautiful.
Okay, thank you so much.
Friend means Bondhu. Lubaba is my best friend. Gentle means Shanta. She is very gentle. Unpolite, Abhadra. I see a boy who is very unpolite.
100%. Good job.
Awak means Jagrata. Now she is awakened. Sleepless means Onidra. Sometimes I feel sleep. I suffer from sleepless.
Good job.
That means me too. My grandfather's death shocked me very much. My grandmother was dead.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's clap for her.
Nice.